Is the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G immune to water? Find out here! The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G is a fascinating low-budget phone in Samsung's A-series lineup for 2023. Priced at $200, it offers a large screen, 5G support, a new design, and a capable camera setup. However, being a budget device, some innovations were made. The display is a 720p LCD and the storage is limited to 64 GB. Unfortunately, Samsung has made a prominent cut in this area. The Galaxy A14 5G doesn't have any IP rating for water resistance. Unlike Samsung's flagship S-series phones with IP68 ratings for water and dust resistance, or even the Galaxy A53 5G with an IP67 rating, the Galaxy A14 5G lacks official certification as waterproof or water resistant in any way. Although the Galaxy A14 5G may offer some slight extent of water resistance, the absence of an IP rating means it hasn't undergone official testing and certification. IP testing incurs costs, and skipping it helps in reducing the development expenses of a budget smartphone. While light rain may not cause any harm, water immersion should be avoided. It's important to note that there are no guarantees of survival against exposure to water or dust, especially considering the presence of a 3.5mm headphone jack that provides an additional entry point for water.